subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After a long wait, Realme has finally launched two new smartphones under its new Narzo series in India called Realme Narzo 10 and Narzo 10A. Among these two, the Realme Narzo 10A is the most affordable phone of this series. Talking about the specifications, the Realme Narzo 10A features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and on the top, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek's Helio G70 chipset paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. The device packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Narzo 10A supports triple camera setup on the rear that includes 12MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. The AAA cameras are capable of recording Full HD videos at 30 frames per second and slow motion videos at 120 frames per second. At the front, it has 5MP selfie camera under the notch with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box based on Realme UI skin on the top. The device comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery with reverse charging technology support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75 by 8.95mm and it weighs around 195 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme Narzo 10A has been priced in India at 8,499 Indian rupees and it will go on sale starting from May 22nd in the country in so blue and so white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 10A smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.